welcome to my kitchen. My name is Zuzuky and I work for the George Hall EarlyON Center. I'm so happy that you're here today. This is video number 3 of our cooking series. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on our Facebook page. So today we're gonna make guacamole! Yeah! But first we're gonna sing a song. Do you know the guacamole song? You don't know the guacamole song? Alrighty, let's sing along. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Follow me, time to make guacamole. Clap your hands, spin around, wash your hands. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. One more time, everybody. Follow me, time to make guacamole. Clap your hands, spin around, wash your hands. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Yay! Good job, everybody. High five. Yay! Alrighty, well, in order to make guacamole, our first ingredient is an avocado. Avocados come from Mexico, everybody. They grow on a really big tree and they're green and they're really hard, but when they come to our houses, they turn dark and they're quite soft. So our second ingredient is lime. So limes are also they also come from trees. There are big limes and there are little limes and there are really tiny little limes. Our third ingredient today is onions. I personally like white onions. And we need cilantro, just a little bit of cilantro and salt to taste. Alrighty, so let's go and wash our hands. Let us start. So we're gonna cut the avocado in the middle. So really carefully, we're gonna cut the avocado right in the middle. And I like to circle it around just to make sure. And you will see that it's really green and really delicious. And I prefer to use a spoon to remove the pit. So I'm just gonna remove the pit and put it aside. Just another suggestion is that you can wash the pit and you can actually grow your own avocado plant at home. The next step that I would like to do is I would like to use a bowl and scoop all the avocado. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to cut the avocado, cut with my spoon actually. So make sure that you're not using your knife. See how I cut it? And now I'm just gonna scoop it all up. And see? Almost no avocado left. And we're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. All right. The next step, we're gonna bring the onion and we're going to chop the onion. So now I like my onion to be a little bit thick. So this is just to taste for everybody. It really depends. There's no specific way on chopping the onion. Onions are chopped and you put it. So next we're gonna do the lime. So for the lime, I don't use any limer. We're cutting the lime in halves as well. And then I'm just gonna squish the lime. Just 1/2 of the lime. And I'm gonna tell you why in a minute. This is actually my grandma's secret. So I'm gonna share it with everybody. So she said always put the salt, a little pinch of salt, and make sure you see how I'm mushing it all together. And the lime helps the avocado mesh and blend all together. How everything is meshing all nicely. And I move the ball. I prefer to move the ball and mesh, 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 mesh. This is where the kids can have fun with meshing, 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 meshing. And in order for your guacamole to last longer, make sure you really mesh, 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 mesh. And this is so much fun, everybody. So now we're gonna gently chop the cilantro. Gently chop, 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 chop cilantro. Chop, 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 chop cilantro. I use cilantro for everything. I think it's a Mexican cooking thing. And then I put my other half, and then I squish. If the lime is too hard and you can use your fingers, you can use other utensils, like even your spoon. You can do it with your spoon. You can go to the side. These are really good fine motor skills for the kids and for you as well, with your fingers. Okay, and just make sure that we have a lovely guacamole. Delicious. It's time to taste it. Let's bring, you can put it on a piece of bread, you can put it on a pita bread, you can put it on a chip. So let's taste it. Look how easily it is spread. Delicious. Thank you for watching us. Please make sure you subscribe and like our videos. Alrighty, bye everybody. We miss you. We hope to see you soon.